Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about relative acidities of alcohols, phenols, carboxylic acids and sulfonic acids. We know that alcohol is a very weak acid. What is the reason? Due to the presence of electron donating substances like alkyl groups, the electron density on the oxygen will increases, and consequently the proton release from this bond will become more difficult. That's why acidity of alcohols will be lower. Here the electron donating substituents are alkyl groups like methyl, ethyl, isopropyl, etc. And this effect is known as plus inductive effect. Then if an alcohol in aqueous media, it will ionize into RO minus and H3O plus. This anion is not resonance stabilized. So the tendency of this proton to leave as H plus is much more difficult in the case of alcohol. This anion is not much stable. That's about the acidity of alcohols. Then another group of compounds, that's our phenols. This is the structure of phenol. What about its acidity? Phenol is more acidic than our alcohols. Why? Phenol is a resonance stabilized structure. Here lone pair of electrons donates to this bond, and this bond will shifts to this carbon, and it will resonate to this structure. Here negative charge will concentrate at ortho position, and the lone pair of electrons lost for this oxygen and getting positively charged. Then this resonance structure continuous. These are the resonance structures of phenol. Then what about its anion in aqueous media? This is the anion that is called phenoxide ion. And this phenoxide ion is more stable than our phenol. What are the resonance structures of phenoxide ion? This negative charge can shift to this bond, and double bond will shift to this carbon. And these are the resonance structures of phenoxide ion. And phenoxide ion is more stable than our phenol. What is the reason? We know that in the case of phenoxide ion, there is no charge separation like positive charge and negative charge. Here, in all these resonance structures, only the negative charge delocalized. Whereas in this case, there is a charge separation between positive and negative charges. So, phenoxide ion is more stable than our phenol. Obviously, phenol has more tendency to convert into its phenoxide ion by the release of hydrogen as H plus, and it will becomes more stable due to the presence of these resonance stabilized structures. Then what is the case of carboxylic acids? Carboxylic acids are also resonance stabilized compounds. Here, this double bond will shift into oxygen and carbon getting positively charged and oxygen getting negatively charged. Then this lone pair of electrons present in the oxygen can shift to this bond, and this bond will becomes double bond and oxygen getting positively charged. So the carboxylic acid is resonance stabilized. What about its anion when hydrogen release as H plus in aqueous media? That is our carboxylate anion. Carboxylate anion is also resonance stabilized compound. Here this negative charge can shift to this bond and double bond will shift to oxygen and converted into this structure. And the resonance hybrid of these structures is here, that is negative charge delocalized all over these two oxygen atoms. So carboxylate anion is more stable than our carboxylic acid. Here also, in the case of carboxylate anion, there is no charge separation of positive and negative charges. Whereas in the case of carboxylic acid, there is a charge separation of positive and negative charges. So the strength of a resonance is more in the case of carboxylate anion compared to the carboxylic acids. And carboxylic acids are more acidic than our phenol. Why? The positive charge on the oxygen represents the electron deficiency on oxygen, which facilitates the release of hydrogen as H plus. So carboxylic acids are more acidic than our phenols. And carboxylate anion is more stable than carboxylic acid. That's why it facilitates the release of hydrogen as H plus. Then which anion is more resonance stabilized? That is carboxylate anion or phenoxide anion, which will be more stable. Of course, carboxylate anion is more resonance stabilized due to the presence of delocalization of the negative charge on more electronegative oxygen atom in the case of carboxylate anion, whereas in the case of phenoxide anion, delocalization of negative charge is through less electronegative carbon atom in the aromatic ring. That is already discussed in the late previous slide. So carboxylate anion is more resonance stabilized than our phenoxide anion. Then what is the case of sulfonic acids? Sulfonic acids in the presence of aqueous medium, it will ionize into RSO3 minus and H3O plus. Again, this sulfonate ion is resonance stabilized. that is already discussed in the last video lecture. That is, this negative charge can shift into this bond and double bond will shift to oxygen. And this negative charge will shift to this bond and double bond will shift to oxygen. And it continues. And the resonance hybrid of these three structures will be this structure. Here, negative charge is delocalized throughout these three electronegative oxygen atoms. That's why the sulfonic acids are more acidic than carboxylic acids or sulfonate. Anion is more resonance stabilized than our carboxylate anion. Then in short, we can compare the relative acidities of alcohol, phenol, carboxylic acids and sulfonic acid. Which is more acidic? Sulfonic acid is more acidic than our carboxylic acid, which is more acidic than our phenol and which is more acidic than our alcohol. That's all about acidities of alcohol, phenol, carboxylic acids and sulfonic acids. Thank you.